How to get rid of honeysuckle. Honeysuckle bushes spread quickly and are hard to control. Unlike the beautiful, sweet-smelling honeysuckle vines, these bushes have many branches, small red fruit and smooth leaves, and can grow up to 15 feet high. You can identify them easily in the fall and winter because they keep their green leaves all year long. It's very important to keep up with getting rid of these unwanted plants before they form thickets that shade out the more desirable plants. Things you'll need: small saw or strong gardening shears, herbicide containing 20% glyphosate, rope, crowbar. Cut the trunks of the plants 3 to 4 inches above the ground using a small saw or strong gardening shears. Spray the entire remaining trunks with the herbicide. After the plants have died, insert the crowbar into the ground next to the trunks and uproot them. They should come out fairly easily if they are dead. Tips: warnings. When spraying the plant with herbicide, be especially thorough when spraying the cut areas. The trunks will then absorb the herbicide, which will kill the roots and make it easier to remove the plants. This also prevents the plants from resprouting and continuing to spread before the roots die. If you're removing honeysuckle in a wooded area and don't mind leaving them in piles, you don't have to haul them away. The wood is soft and will decompose in about 2 years.